Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So today we are not in the studio, we are outside in the garage beside Project GR Yaris because these boxes are pretty big, bigger than me and my dad. We're gonna be unboxing them here and show you guys how these parts actually fit in the car. So yeah, let's get started. Here's a quick rundown of the boxes. Let's start with the smallest.
The smallest, okay.
Actually, ito muna, hindi naka-box eh. So here we have the Toyota Gazoo Racing original sticker. So ayan, ito yung white version. And then we have the black version. So these are original products from Toyota Gazoo Racing. As you can see here. Ayan, JDM. Next up is this one. Toyota Gazoo Racing din siya. Itong box na to, magic yan kasi nagpo-fold siya. As you can see, low profile and then angat mo lang and it becomes a box where you can store your items. So, ayan. I love cars pa nakasulat. Ayan, so you can also lock it para hindi siya bumukas. Then you just unlock it by doing this. And then yeah. Check out natin how it fits in the trunk of the GR Yaris. Yeah. So, yeah. So it fits perfectly, guys. The height is just enough, not so tall. That's how it looks like inside. The limit is 15 kilos, capacity is 20 liters. This item is stackable. As you can see, there's like slots here. So if you can buy many of these and then you can stack them and it won't move. So yeah, let's move on to the next item. I don't know. So next item is this one. It's the NeoPlot throttle pedal. So you might think, why do you want to change the throttle pedal? It's because the throttle pedal is quite deep, so it's hard to do heel and toe. This NeoPlot pedal is made out of CNC aluminum. It's supposed to help with your heel and toe technique because this part is extended. We're not going to be taking it out of the box already because you can see everything from here and it's still stapled. We've actually already unboxed this before in our previous episode. It's the Digicam wide thread spacer. So when we opened it up and tried to install it on a GR Yaris, we found out that it actually won't work on the car. Why? Because when you install this on the car, you basically insert the stock studs over here and you put your nuts here. What happens is that when you look at it from a side profile, the stock studs actually go beyond this, which means that you cannot put your wheel flush to the spacer. So after doing more research, we found a wide thread spacer that is actually designed specifically for the GR Yaris wheel setup. So it's this one, guys. It's the Digicam wide thread spacer long nut. So let's open it. Let me show you guys the difference. So here is a side-by-side comparison. This is the one we showed before, and then this one is the long nut. So why do they call it the long nut? Because it comes with this. These are actually special lug nuts and they're literally long nuts, because the original issue with spacers is that once you put a spacer, you get less thread engagement from your lug nuts. With these spacers, you won't have a problem because they literally have long nuts, which means that once you put this on your stock studs, these nuts actually go all the way in. So you get the whole full thread engagement with this spacer. And of course, apart from that, you also get a hub-centric ring, which is a perfect fit with the stock wheels of the GR Yaris. This one won't work for the GR Yaris, but this one definitely will. It's made out of forged aluminum, very high quality part, 6061T6. Perfectly made for the GR Yaris. If you didn't understand what I was saying, we're gonna be doing an install video for both kinds of spacers so that you guys understand how the regular one won't work with the GR Yaris and how the long nut version is super perfect for the GR Yaris. Next up, guys, is this. So take a guess what this is. These are tie-down straps. So you probably have an idea already what this is. It's a GR Yaris car cover. So let's take a look at the quality of the fabric. This actually, guys, is waterproof, and it also blocks UV rays, and you can also use it in snow apparently. Inside, it's actually a very soft material. It's like a what is this? It's like felt. Yeah, this is to make sure that you don't scratch up your car. So there are also designated tie-down areas where you use these straps so that your car cover doesn't fly away. So here is the car cover fitted on the GR Yaris. So as you can see, there's this strip of reflectorized material so that it's safe when you park it outside in the dark. And the fit is actually perfect. The side mirrors right now are folded, so there's this space. We actually have a zipper on the side of the car. And you might ask, why is it on the passenger side? It's because this car cover is actually made in Japan, so their cars there are right-hand drive. So when you open the zipper, you can actually access the door. This is an easy access inside the car without taking off the car cover. So next up is this long box over here. It's this one. These are rain visors for the GR Yaris. So this is an OEM part. And as you can see, here's the Toyota instruction manual. It says here, Toyota Customizing and Development. So I believe these rain visors are actually designed to work with the aerodynamics of the car. As you can see, there are vortex generators over here. They're shaped in a way to be aerodynamic. So these vortex generators go to the front like that. Yeah, there. And from the front, there. We have two more big boxes to go, and as you can see, it says Kansai service, so you probably know what this is. Instruction manual. So these are the Kansai service side skirts for the GR Yaris. So I'm gonna hold this part there. So you guys might think that this is painted, but no, it's not. It still has imperfections, so you still need to paint this when you have it installed. So for the last item that we're going to be unboxing today, it's this big Kansai service box. Let's see what's inside. Front Kansai service chin. Of course, we got the side skirts, so you should also have the front lip. Item is made from an FRP, and let's see how it fits on the GR Yaris. So this is how it looks like when it's fitted, guys. There. This side skirt is actually very low profile, and it's not gonna increase the overhang of your front bumper by a lot. So if you live in an area where you're more likely to scrape, then this is probably the most conservative front lip that you can get for the GR Yaris. That's it for this week's unboxing. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, all of these parts are available for order in Peter's Garage. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to my channel for more future GR Yaris content. So we'll see you guys next time.